Hello, so do you know how to simplify such an amazing maths problem? So worry not. So let's now begin with our solution. So on working out the solution to this maths problem, we are going to take for an example, when you have a to the power of m, then multiply by a to the power of n. This one now shall be given as a to the power of m plus n. So that is to mean that now shall now have 3 to the power of k, then also multiply by 3 to the power of k. So this one now shall have it as 3 to the power of k plus k. So this one now shall have it as 3 to the power of 2 to k. So that is to mean that now shall now have it as now 3 to the power of 2k is equals to 120. So now we are asked to solve for the value for k, or we simplify it further. So now this one now shall now work it as introducing the log on both sides. So now shall now have the log of 3 to the power of 2k is equals to the log of 120. So from here, when you have, for example, the log of k to the power of m, this one can be written as m, the log of k. So that is to mean that the log of 3 to the power of 2k shall be written as 2k, the log of 3 is equals to the log of 120. So from here now, for us to remain with 2k, we shall divide both sides by the log of 3. Then also, this other side shall also divide by the log of 3. So that now log 3 and log 3 shall cancel. So we shall remain with 2k is equals to the log of 120 all over the log of 3. So let's now simplify it by now saying that 2k is equals to log 120 can be written as the log of 12 multiplied by 10, then all over the log of 3. So when you have, for example, the log of m multiplied by p, according to the law of logarithm, this one now can be written as the log of m, so log m, then plus the log of p. So that is now 2k is equals to, so now we shall now have the log of 12, then plus the log of 10, then all over the log of 3. So we shall now have to divide both sides by the log of 3. So 2k is equals to, so this one now shall now have the log of 12. So log 12 all over the log of 3. Then also plus the log of 10 all over the log of 3. So this one now is to mean that now 2k shall be now is equivalent to the log of 12 shall be written as the log of 4 multiplied by 3, then all over the denominator, that is the log of 3, then plus, so log 10 can be written as the log of 5 multiplied by 2, then all over the log of 3. So next now shall still have it as 2k is equals to, so here now shall now have the log of 4, then plus the log of 3, then both sides shall have to divide by the log of 3, then all over the log of 3, then plus, so the log of 5, then plus the log of 2, then all over the log of 3, then also all over the log of 3. So next we shall now have it as 2k is equals to, so log 4 can be written as the log of 2 to the power of 2, then all over the log of 3. So we shall now have it here, then plus, so log 3 and log 3 shall cancel, we shall remain with 1, then plus the log of 5 all over the log of 3, then plus the log of 2 all over the log of 3. So we shall also have it as now 2k is equals to the log of 2 to the power of 2 shall be written as 2, the log of 2, then all over the log of 3, then plus 1, then also plus the log of 5 all over the log of 3, then plus log 2 all over the log of 3. So now we shall now say that the value of 2k is equals to, so this one now shall be 2, and when you have, for example, the log of a all over the log of b, so this one now shall be written as the log of a to the base of b, so log a to the base of b. So here now shall now say that 2k is equals to 2, the log of 2 there to the base of 3, then also plus 1, this one, then also plus the log of 5 to the base of 3, then finally plus the log of 2 to the base of 3. So next, we shall now have to divide both sides by 2 in order to remain with k. So divide by 2, then all of this divide by 2. So that now 2 by 2 now shall cancel. So that now the value for k is equals to 2, the log of 2 to the base of 3, then plus 1, then plus the log of 5 to the base of 3, then plus the log of 2 to the base of 3. All of this shall be divided by 2. So when you divide all this by 2, we shall now settle and say that our correct value for k is equals to, so 2 here shall cancel this 2. So now we shall remain with the log of 2 to the base of 3, then also plus, so here now shall have it as 1 over 2, then plus, here also we shall now have 1 over 2, the log of 5 to the base of 3, then plus, finally, these are now shall still have it as 1 over 2, the log of 2 to the base of 3. So when we write this answer into its simplest form, then this one shall be the correct value for k. So if you loved how we worked out this maths problem, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.